Alright, in this video we're going to look at how Excel actually uses order of operations, PEMDAS, parenthesis, exponent, multiply, divide, add, subtract, or common phrase, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally, to remember it. Now, you don't have to use Excel in this class at all. Might be helpful at times, um, especially some of the discussion board questions. However, I don't have access to an electronic Texas Instrument display to record a video, so I'm going to do an Excel, and besides that, Excel is a pretty cool, useful tool, and if you have any knowledge in it, it's helpful. So what I did here is I typed two formulas. One, to convert Fahrenheit to Celsius. Here, you do 5/9 multiplied by the quantity in parentheses. Take the Fahrenheit minus 32. The other one, if I'm given a Celsius, to get to Fahrenheit, we multiply it by 9/5, and then we add 32 to that result. So we're going to take three different values, 32 degrees Fahrenheit, 212 degrees Fahrenheit, and 75.2, a random one, and convert that into Celsius. And then likewise with Celsius, we're going to take 0, 100, and 22.7 into Fahrenheit. All right. With Excel, a shortcut, anytime you want it to do the computation, you type an equal, and then we're going to take 5 divided by 9, 5 over 9, multiplied by, Excel knows parentheses and order of operations, so we're going to type it exactly as it shows up. But if we have a long list of computations, rather than type in 32 in here, we click on the cell. I want it to take this A3, take away 32, and input the result into the cell here. We get 0, and I chose 32 degrees because, whoa, if we know a little bit about temperatures, 32 degrees Fahrenheit means it's freezing, right? That's the temperature at which water will freeze, we'll get snow. And in Celsius, it's based on a 0 to 100. 0 is freezing, 100 is boiling. Now, in Excel as well, I don't want to keep retyping this. I don't want to copy and paste. There's a quick way to drag down. I want it to move down to this cell A4 and then A5 and do the same exact formula, right? Because it's staying in the column A, we put a $sign in front of A to tell it, as I drag this formula down, stay in A, but move down, right, to A4. Move down to A5. Also, I threw in a decimal result here. We could change the number of decimal places that show up. Oh geez, where did it go? Oh, I assume I'm too small here. Great. Let me come back to that. Anyways, right, if I had more data in here, 40.875, whatever. Drag this down, and it will continue to compute. This 24 might have came out evenly, actually. Anyways, 40.875 degrees Fahrenheit is 4.93 and a whole bunch of decimal places following Celsius. Alright, moving on to this formula. I want it to take the Celsius multiplied by 9/5. So I'm going to take 9 divided by 5 multiplied by whatever this cell is, and then add 32. Again, let's throw the $sign in front of the D, tell it to stay in this column, but move to D4 and D5 and so forth. Hit enter. we should have got 32, right? And here, 212, I'm just verifying our formula is correct. And 72.86, the random number for this 22.7. And again, you can continue to type, whatever number's in here, drag it down, and it will continue to compute. Okay, Excel's pretty cool. Use it as you wish. Of course, you never have to. If I did want to demonstrate how Excel uses order of operations, just as your calculator would, you have to be careful about how you type it in. All right, awesome.